Hello there, I'm Kay Burley, reporting for Sky News. We have an important Sky News exclusive. We head now to Studio 1 at Sky Academy Skills Studios.
Good morning and welcome to Sky News. My name is Zaina.
And I'm Julianne, reporting live from our studios in London.
Today's special report is on natural disasters and the impact it causes on a community.
Can natural disasters be predicted to reduce the effects it causes?
Well, let's head over to Edison for more.
A recent study estimated that much less than 1% of scientific research is focused on natural and human-made disasters. The International Space Station is used to track weather patterns, including the path of hurricanes. The scale of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale, with magnitude from 0 to 10.
In the programme, we will be focusing on earthquakes. Earthquakes are caused by a build-up of pressure between layers in the Earth's crust.
When the pressure is released, the tectonic plates move, sometimes causing earthquakes and tsunamis.
In the programme, our reporters Frank and Carl will highlight the dangers earthquakes causes.
Then, Nathaniel will interview special guests with a tourist and reality TV star.
Finally, we will head back to the studios with a live expert interview with Renea.
Goodbye from us.
Bye!
Thank you, Zaina and Julianne.
I'm Carl.
And I'm Frank.
And as you know, we are talking about natural disasters.
That's right. And in this segment, we'll be focusing on earthquakes in particular.
We are currently in Indonesia, which was struck by an earthquake in the early hours of this morning.
As you can see behind us, the destruction is devastating and we can only hope that people were able to survive.
Reports coming in suggest that the magnitude of the earthquake was 4.8.
And look at the impact it's had on the area, but this is what many would consider a light impact earthquake.
Yes, historically speaking, one of the largest earthquakes on record was the 1960 Chilean earthquake, which had a rupture zone of 1,000 kilometers and magnitude of 9.8 on the Richter scale.
The earthquake occurred beneath the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Chile.
And most recently, on the 26th of January 2019, at precisely 12:32 midday, there was an earthquake in Colombia, which affected parts of Cali, Pereira and Bogota.
Yes, it had a magnitude of 5.6 on the Richter.
Oh, actually, Frank, we're just receiving breaking news. There has been an earthquake in 3 parts of the world. Today, Indonesia, where we are, North Colombia and south of the Kermadec Islands.
Yes, as mentioned earlier, the earthquakes had a magnitude of 4.8.
This happened in the early hours of this morning.
4 a.m. to be precise.
Indonesia is one of those countries susceptible to earthquakes due to its position on the equator.
Yes, research suggests that earthquakes occur most frequently on oceanic and continental plates.
Let's just hope that today's earthquakes have not disrupted too many lives.
We'll keep you informed of any updates.
That's all from us. For more on this topic, we now hand you over to Nathaniel.
Over to you, Nathaniel.
Thank you, Carl and Frank. Welcome back to Sky News. My name is Nathaniel, and we are talking today about earthquakes recently on the 3rd of February 2019. There was an earthquake here in California, so we will be speaking to 2 survivors of this earthquake.
Earthquakes is a sudden indent tremor on the ground, typically causing great destruction. As a result, movements within the Earth's crust or volcanic reaction.
Right now, I am here joined by 2 survivors. We have a tourist from the UK, Dennis, and we also have a reality TV star, Danielle. How do you feel after this earthquake has happened?
Everything was shaking, cars, alarms went off. Everyone is evacuating their houses as if something was going on. My mansion was destroyed, so was my car. I had nowhere to run and nowhere to stay.
So I've just come from the UK, and I've never felt anything like this before. It was a really scary experience, and I wasn't expecting anything like this because I've never been in this situation. I had no idea what I should do. Just be sure that I'm not coming back to California.
How is your emotional state right now?
I have no emotion. I just want to get out of this country. But I lost my belongings and my passport when the earthquake happened.
Well, I am shaking. Luckily, all my fans can see my reaction video to this earthquake on my page. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, Danielle. Like, share, and subscribe.
I'm sorry, madam. This is not an advert for your social media. It is a news report. Have you no shame? Anyway, that's all we have time for. We are going over to Renea.
Hello and welcome to Sky News. My name is Renea, and today I am joined by Amanda.
Hello!
And Beatrice.
Hey guys!
So, how are earthquakes formed?
Well, when a rock that is underground breaks along the fault, the sudden release of energy causes a seismic wave which triggers an earthquake. This shift in tectonic plates can cause great damage.
What is the biggest earthquake ever recorded in history?
So the biggest earthquake ever recorded was in 1960, the Valdivia earthquake in Chile. It's the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. It registered 9.6 on the Richter scale.
How are earthquakes detected?
Using a seismometer.
What is a seismometer?
A seismometer, also known as a seismograph, is an instrument that records movement of the ground. It is used to detect seismic waves generated by earthquakes and nuclear explosions. A seismoscope can also be used for detection of underground movements.
Where do earthquakes usually occur?
Earthquakes usually occur in the countries Turkey, Mexico, El Salvador, Pakistan, Philippines, India, and Nepal, far from the edges of the plates along the faults.
Thank you both for joining me here today in the studios. This has been a very interesting discussion, but for now we hand it over to Kay.
Thanks to the team at Sky Academy Skills Studios. That's the end of our special report. I'm Kay Bowley. Thank you for watching.